Hey, what's up, metalheads? We got a death metal band out of Kingston today called Jackhammer Tracheotomy. We're going to be checking out one of their songs. But before we get into that, if you're in a metal band or you know somebody in a metal band who might be into what ORFM is doing here, please make sure you tag them in the comments down below. And don't forget to check these links here to download the ORFM app and visit the official ORFM store for official ORFM merch. It definitely goes a long way keeping the platform ad-free. So let's get into it. This is Jackhammer Tracheotomy, a song called Perpetual Violence. Brutal, man. Let me know in the comments down below if you would swipe right or swipe left on them, and check them out on ORFM.